In this video, I'm going to show you the news that came with the new version of Elementor. Hey guys, how are you? This is Michaela from the Simplifying Websites. And before going to the computer screen, I'm going to ask you to leave a like here in this video and to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so that's it. Let's go to the tutorial now. So come on guys, I'm here on the MacCreative website, which was a portfolio website that I taught you to create here on the channel. And I'll leave the link in the card in the description if you want to go there. Watch and learn how to do this project, okay? Elementor updated again. Actually, it has already had 2 significant updates since the last one I showed. And now we are in the latest version 3.13. From 3.13, it has already released the Elementor AI, which is the Elementor artificial intelligence for us. So when we enter, it's already working. I'll show you. As soon as you open the Elementor editor, this pop-up appears here for you. It comes in English, but then I just clicked with the right button on the screen and clicked on Translate to Portuguese for you to see what it is saying. Basically, it is saying to you that the Elementor AI is already available here, that I had shown you in another video. That's it. You don't need to activate anything. So, like I had already shown you in that video, every text widget, for example, will come with the AI here. Image widget, by the way. Let's see if the image is already showing up. No, it's still coming soon. So that's it. The Elementor AI is already working. If you want to know how it works, some tips on how to use it, there is a video only about the Elementor AI. I will leave it in the card and in the description for you. In the other changes, most were accessibility adjustments, that we can't see the big difference with the naked eye in the editor. It's another question of the Elementor configuration, okay? So, it added accessibility here in practically all widgets. From what I can see, it is putting it in each update. And besides that, it made some corrections too. So, for example, here, in this adjustment part, it says that now it has the option to automatically show the section of the content of the post. There is an Elementor update that I showed you how to configure a loop grid, how you create, for example, this little box here of blog, the way you want. And then we use this a lot for websites that we will need more information, for custom posts. And then what was happening is that if you needed to put a text here in these cards, which you don't usually have, right? In blog. Here in all recipes, let me see if I can find it. Here, see? This little section here, which is a summary of the post, we configured it there and it didn't show up here. And now they fixed it and now it appears normally. So they fixed that. Another update that came up, I've already shown you here for some time this widget here, which is the Elementor's tabs widget. I even made a video just teaching you how to use it to create this portfolio section here, see? And now there was an update on it, which is the icon availability. So you see that this part of all is active, right? So there's a way for us to come and put an icon here, look. Look, here it is the icon. And then if you want to put another icon for the active part, it is also, see? Here is an icon, and here is an icon for when it is active. For example, I'll put this one. Look, for now, this one is active, see? And there's this little flashlight icon here, which was the one I put. Then, if I leave it to be active, look, then it is this icon here that I configured. See? So it opens up many possibilities for different types of layouts that you need to make this type of configuration. Now they made it available. Another thing they also put here, they already speak in 13.1 here. It has several accessibility and optimization settings, and this one, active status in the mega menu, link and anchor. It's the following, this one. I also taught you here in another video that Elementor changed the menu widget. Now it's not called menu, but the normal menu here, it's called the Wordpress menu, which is this one. Wordpress menu. And this one called only menu, it's a mega menu that we can create with Elementor, as if it were this item of tabs up there, but it stays in the menu format there, you see? There's already a video showing it here on the channel too, but before it didn't have the option to be active in anchor links, for example. I'll put it here, look. Contact, a link and anchor, it's when we click, like here, look, click here on us, and it goes down here, this is an anchor, you see? And here in this normal menu here, it's already active, you see? It's active here, the pink color. In this mega menu, it wasn't. That's what they added. So now I can come here in style, and here in active, I can configure a color here. For example, I can put a background color here, and then when I click, let me configure the link for it here. I put the menu up here so we can see better. Look, it's here, you see? Then if I click here on contact, it's active. The background color, you see? That's it. That's the configuration that came. So, in addition, these were the configurations that came. There was another update that came also in the traditional menu, which is this menu of WordPress, which is this one, you see? Just like the one above, which is this option here. Look, animation, you see? So there are different types of animation. For example, if you choose underlined, which is this line option here, there is this animation of slide. There is the slide, there is the grow, which is to grow. There are several. As you change here, it will change too, this one in the background. There's this slide, which is to appear. There's this one here, you see? Then, as you change the type of pointer, it will put different types of animation here for you, okay? And then, in this update here, this other one came here, which was the submenu indicator. So, if you have a menu that you have put several submenus below, now you can come here and change the icon, you see? You can put any icon you want, you see? Or leave it without an icon, too. It's up to you. That's it, guys. These were the updates that came here with Elementor. I hope you liked it. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, a hug. See you next time. Bye.